नमस्कार। आज हम यहाँ पर बीएससी नर्सिंग के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में सब्जेक्ट आती है अप्लाइड एनाटॉमी। इसकी कंटेंट देखेंगे कि इसके सिलेबस में क्या क्या कंटेंट है। इसके फर्स्ट यूनिट में है इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनाटॉमिकल टर्म्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी। इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनाटॉमिकल टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू पोजीशन, anterior, ventral, posterior, dorsal, superior, inferior, median, lateral, proximal, distal, superficial, deep, prone, supine, palmar and plantar. Anatomical planes: axial, transverse, horizontal, sagittal, vertical plane and coronal, frontal and oblique plane. Then movements: flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, medial rotation, lateral rotation, inversion, eversion, supination, pronation, plantar flexion, dorsal flexion and circumduction. Then cell structure, cell division, tissue definition, type, characteristics, classification, location, membrane, glands, classification and structure. Identify major surface and bony landmarks in each body region. Organization of human body. Hyaline, fibrocartilage, elastic cartilage, features of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles, application and implication in nursing. Then second unit में है the respiratory system, structure of the organs of respiration, muscle of respiration, application and implication in nursing. Then third unit आती है the digestive system, structure of alimentary canal and accessory organs of digestion, application and implication in nursing. The circulatory and lymphatic system, structure of blood component, blood vessels, arterial and venous system, position of heart relative to the associated structures, chambers of heart, layers of heart, heart valve, coronary arteries, nerve and blood supply to heart, lymphatic tissue, vein used for IV injection, application and implication in nursing. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ यूनिट में है द एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हाइपोथैलेमस, पीनियल ग्लैंड, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड, पैराथायराइड, थाइमस, पैंक्रियाज एंड एड्रिनल ग्लैंड्स. देन सिक्स यूनिट है द सेंसरी ऑर्गन, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्किन, आई, ईयर, नोज एंड टंग, एप्लीकेशन एंड इम्प्लीकेशन इन नर्सिंग. Then musculoskeletal system, anatomical position, bones, type, structure, growth and ossification. Then axial and appendicular skeleton, joints, classification, major joints and structure. Then application and implication in nursing. The muscular system, types and structure of muscle, muscle group, muscle of the head, neck, thorax, abdomen, pelvis, upper limb and lower limb. Principal muscle, deltoid, biceps, triceps, respiratory, abdominal, pelvic floor muscles, gluteal muscle and vastus lateralis. Then eighth unit में है the renal system, structure of kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra, application and implication in nursing. Then ninth unit में है the reproduction system, structure of male reproduction organs, structure of female reproductive organs, structure of breast. Then 10th unit में है the nervous system, review structure of neurons, CNS, ANS, PNS, central, autonomic and peripheral. Structure of brain, spinal cord, cranial nerve, spinal nerve, peripheral nerve, functional areas of cerebral cortex, ventricular system, formation, circulation and drainage, application and implication in nursing.